Okay, we are in the car going to the Ohana breakfast adventure. So Marla's in the front, Alexa's in there, and then her cousin. He has to cover his face because of how young he is, so I won't like show his face too much. So that's why I wanted to make sure that everybody was okay being in it before I started. So, you want to say anything?
Don't I look cute in this picture?
Alright, so the characters that are going to be there are Lilo, Stitch, Goofy, Minnie Mouse, Mickey Mouse. Who else am I missing? Pluto? Right?
Yeah, if you didn't say Pluto, then yes.
And Goofy's there too, right? I feel like I'm like missing somebody though. But, yeah, so we'll see you guys at breakfast. What are you doing?
The original.
Bye.
Really
Guys, we're coming up on the arch again.
Like the Lion King show.
Yeah. I must. My ears.
Guys, there's the Monsters Inc. Bus.
Yeah, that's a sign. We should have switched it up.
Hi, Mike. Absolutely. Hi, Mike. We are now at the resort for the breakfast. Here's the Zootopia house. Alright, so we'll see you guys inside. Okay, we are in. I got a lei, and she got one as well. So it's actually really pretty in here. I can probably show more once we like go outside. Right now we're in the shop. Yeah. So I'll probably pick it back up when more characters are out. But here's like a little sneak peek of the lobby. So yeah, stay tuned. So here's like a better view of the lobby. There's like a whole bunch of plants, a map over there. But yeah, it's like really pretty. And then I don't know where the character breakfast is, but there's also surfboard. Where are you going? Okay. But yeah, this hotel is really pretty. So I guess this is another hotel that we can cross off the bucket list. So, ooh, I keep tripping. But yeah, here's. Sorry, she's doing a TikTok. Behind the scenes. But yeah. Alright, so this is the pool and like the back area. And then there's a volcano slide that goes into the pool. And it looks like it's on the pond. And then this is like the upstairs. Like another angle of it. Okay, we're sitting down and look, it's Mickey Mouse. We saw Pluto and Stitch and Lilo over there. We were told that they're gonna come out to our table soon. I know. Hold on. It's Mickey right there. Guys, it's Stitch. Bye, Stitch. Oh, there's Lilo over there. Look, guys, Pluto's over there. And look, and Mickey's right there. They're about to do the Congo line. Look, it's Lilo.
Get ready to capture the adventure as our Disney friends bring the island-style fun to you. Please stay at your tables. You won't want to miss the
Hi, Lilo.
Aloha celebration.
Look, my Stitch. guys, he's getting closer. We're gonna be next soon. She's doing good. Can I take a picture? Oh yeah. Hey guys, look, it's Mickey Mouse himself, the king.
King of the Castle and Peter Pan.
Yeah.
He can fly.
Guys, it's Pluto.
My favorite.
So I guess we're gonna be meeting him next. I'm gonna do a little clip with him later. Guys, there's also Lila, so we're gonna be meeting her next as well. And then Stitch is way over there. Guys, look, it's Pluto. Aw. How you doing? Good? No, I love you, Pluto. Can I give you a kiss? You're so handsome. Guys, look, it's Lilo. Look how beautiful she is. Isn't she adorable with her readable dress? Yeah. Guys, Stitch is next. Look, here's Stitch. Have you been in good behavior lately? Have you been getting in trouble with Lilo? No? Good. You need to stay out of trouble, right? Because you're the best Stitch ever. But there's only one Stitch, really, right? The best. How's Angel? Is she doing good? Yeah, she's so beautiful. You're so lucky. Yeah, we love her too. Yeah, she's so adorable. Yes, for sure. You want to say hi? No. Okay, so we are done breakfast. We're, if you can't tell, we are now heading to Animal Kingdom. Breakfast was actually really good. We got to meet all the characters that were there. Yeah, so there's the sign. I forgot to record like this sign when we were like driving in because I didn't realize that we were that close already. So, you excited?
Yep. Home.
See you guys inside the park. There's the Animal Kingdom park sign. Let's go meet some more characters. Alright guys, look, it's the Tree of Life. We are gonna get in line to meet Moana. Let's go find her. And I don't know if Maui's gonna be there or not, but we will definitely meet Moana for sure. So it looks like she's gonna be right up here to the left. At least she's in the shade. She's right up there somewhere. Guys, there's Moana. Alright, so we just got done meeting Moana. Hey, Puba, Maui are all doing great. We're gonna go to the safari. Then around like 3:30ish, there's like the Nemo something. I don't remember what it's called. I think it's like a water ride thing. Then we're also gonna try to meet Mickey and Minnie. I know we just met Mickey at breakfast this morning, but we'll meet Mickey in his outfit for here in Magic Kingdom, Animal Kingdom. I don't know why I want to keep saying magic. What else? I don't know. Like we did add some things to the list. So we're gonna do. This is everything that we're doing today. We added some things. We're gonna do Pluto. I know we met Pluto this morning as well. Chip and Dale, Daisy, Donald, and all this other fun stuff. We were gonna do that one, but decided not to. But yeah. So stay tuned for what we'll end up doing later. So yeah.
everybody, get ready to clap your paws, stomp your hooves, and ruffle your feathers as we welcome you to the Festival of the Lion King. Let the procession begin!
Timothys here. The show can begin. Hey, what are you doing? Slow down, slow down. I'm supposed to be center stage. Who's driving this thing?
Timon, I'm glad you can make it. We can't have this celebration without you. Don't worry, friend. You'll get your time in the spotlight.
Oh, I just can't wait to be king.
Look at me! I'm in a parade!
Hey, you're looking good! Love your poopa!
What hot
Just waiting down today.
There he is, the mighty pachyderm! Let me hear you trumpet triumphant!
Hi, everybody. Hey, Pumbaa, Timon. Look, everyone, it's the Lion King. Welcome, Simba. You are right on time. Hey, guys, it looks like we're all here. Let's go!
Every creature of the road and sing.
Let's sing.
Let's hear it in the herd and on the wing.
On the wing.
It's gonna be in Simba's finest
Simba's finest fling.
Oh, I just can't wait.
Come on, everybody, all together now.
1, 2, 3. Okay, so we're gonna end it for tonight. I don't even know what the last thing you saw, but we saw Mickey and Minnie in their safari outfits. We went on we also went to the Lion King show, and then the something river. What was it called? I keep forgetting what it's called.
Rapids.
The Rapids for the first time, and that was a lot of fun. Got drenched. What did you think?
It was really fun.
Are you picking at that again?
No.
So, I don't know how long this video is for today, but yeah, that's today's day in Animal Kingdom. The second park day. Tomorrow's Magic Kingdom. Hopefully we can get through the day better, right?
Yeah. Yeah, it's becoming hard.
Yeah, I mean, it's like really hot and humid. I mean, it hasn't rained since we've been here, but almost every single night there's been like thunder and lightning. So stay tuned for day 4. Or, I mean, yeah, or whatever day tomorrow is, and third park day.